Hello, good morning. This is Dr. Shambhavi Rajagopal from Save Scrap and Sue. And I'm so glad to be here on Facebook and also on Insta Live. And thank you so much for being buddies. I have some buddies here who are waiting. Yeah, oh, wow, good morning. Hey, Joycey, good morning from Abu Dhabi. Thank you so much for joining in. Let me just give a little bit of a background of Save Scrap and Sue before we go ahead and invite few of our other buddies to share the screen with me. You can see my background. Yes, that is one of the sheets which has been made by our buddies. We've done more than 2,000 sheets, given it away to the needy. Where does the material come from? Well, we use only tailor waste. And if I'm looking towards the Facebook and on at Insta, please bear with me. So, and also, as I want to start the session, I want to wish everybody Ramadan Mubarak, today the last day, and then Eid Mubarak. And every Ramadan, we have done something special always. We've had full day events. We've had people coming and working with us for half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, whatever they could. And this Ramadan is special as we are here and we are joined by people on Facebook and people on Insta. And let me say once more, we've done 2,000 sheets, which are like this. And we've done 4,000 bags, which are like this. And we've done pillows, more than 4,000, which were given away to laborers who use these for their midday break. The construction companies compulsorily have to give 2 hours midday break from June 15th to September 15th. We've given away these pillows. These pillows have also been used in hospitals for children or for adults who are taking intravenous for a long time and who can use this as a support. What is inside these pillows is the small scrap, the very small scrap which comes after we cut all these. Now, our tailors are only source? No, we've also got the sample cloth, which when the season is over, it is just thrown away. So we have a quest. One of that is to save the landfill, which is our asset, to give it to our children. And the second is to help the needy, which is what we have been doing, giving away more than 5 tons of scrap that we have saved to people who really need them. Before I invite my guest from India, who's actually my buddy, we have 2 of them here. And I'm very grateful to Chandrika because it's just about a year now that we started in Mumbai, in Goregaon. I'm grateful to Geeta, who is in Thane, who was a buddy here in Dubai, and she continued this in Thane. I'll take a quick 1 second to say hello to everyone. Hello, Meenakshi. Thank you so much for being here. Hello, Nisha. Thank you for being here. Thank you, Pratima. Sheila, good morning, and thank you for being here. Chetna, Shilpa, Dimple, thank you so much. Don't think that I'm ignoring my Insta people. Hello, Purvaja, Rajban Singh. Thank you so very much for being here. Let me first invite my buddy, Chandrika. Hello, Chandrika.
Hi,
Dimple, thank you so much for that message. Yes, Chandrika.
Yeah.
Good morning from Mumbai. Hi, how are you?
Good, very good. And thank God, last week only I received the belt of my machine, which was
Could you speak a little louder, Chandrika?
Yeah. Can you hear me now? Am I audible?
Yes. Thank you. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. just last month, my machine, the rubber broke and I couldn't work and I was so sad. But then I started organizing the stuff, and which made me work so easier once my the ring arrived. And last week I managed to stitch 10 sheets and 15 bags.
Chandrika, I'm always amazed with the kind of work that you do, for the simple reason that, Chandrika, is there possibility of reducing your volume for the speaker, or maybe wear a headset, because there's a little bit of an echo here?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'll reduce the volume.
Yeah, or yes.
Yeah, is that okay?
Yeah, because there's an echo, so it's probably preferable to wear a headset actually.
Yeah, actually, I don't have the headphone which fits my phone, so that was the problem. Okay.
All right, then put yourself on mute. When I'm talking, just put yourself on mute. That'll help.
Okay, I'll do that. Yeah. So I learned a lot of things during this lockdown period. Since I didn't have the machine operational, I started organizing my scrap, and which helped me to stitch so much in last 1 week. So I just wanted to share with my buddies that I realized that it's necessary to organize yourself when you're sorting the scrap. So I started doing that. I made a video, so I hope once you share it, it will be helpful to them. I'll just show, like, once you get these kind of long strips, I just store them and make them into belts, so that once I start making the bag, it's easier to pick up any matching color and stitch the bag. Then these kind of square pieces when I have, I make them into squares and I just store them. And whenever I get a chance to start stitching, I just join them and make a bag or sheets. Then
thank you, Chandrika. Yeah.
Small.
Can you show the small scrap? I don't seem to be having it here. Can you show the small scrap?
Put them in the bag, so I'll show you. All the thing goes in the bag here, the small scrap.
Yeah.
So I use it for filling. So nothing goes waste.
Great. Thank you so much, Chandrika. I really appreciate what you've been doing for us. Could you put yourself on mute, Chandrika?
Definitely.
Yeah. So Chandrika has been a great motivator, and she has supported us in a very big way. And I'm going to take a minute here to just say thank you to those people who are watching us, some of them who are buddies. And I have Archana here who says hello. I have Shivani who says hello. Diana, Girija, my buddy. I miss not able to see you all, but I'm always grateful for all the buddies that I have. Meenakshi, yeah, good, thank you. Sandhya, thank you. You've always supported us. And of course, my mother. Thank you, Ma. My sister, I know, talk about family. That's what they are here for, which is what I'm grateful for, to our families who really support us at all times. And my dad is here too. Yes, I'm going to read out. By the way, my father has sent us a poem, which I'm going to read out in a bit. And I have here Jyoti Dogra. Hello, Jyoti. Thank you so much for being a buddy. I'm going to invite now Geeta.
Hello.
Hello, Geeta. Hi, Geeta. How are you? My buddy, my partner, how are you doing?
I'm fine. I hope everybody is safe and all are at home.
Yes, we are. So when you think about it, that we started as a team because this was teamwork and something which we could not have managed ever to do alone, it seems a little different now that we are all working by ourselves. But I think that is what our vision was, that ultimately we save our own scrap and we manage to do whatever we are doing by ourselves. So thank you so much, Geeta. Would you like to share what you've done, if you have something with you, or have we given away everything to the needy?
No. I have bed sheets. I have bags. This is a bag which we have done. These are the kind of pillows that we've made. And this sheet is a work in progress, which I've been doing. And I think this by a day or two, I'll finish. And a lot of scraps have been sorted. really missing my buddies, because it's a real pleasure when all are around and we distribute the work. One is ironing, one is cutting, and then one is stitching. Work goes on faster. But now, since everything is one-man show, it's becoming a little bit difficult. But nevertheless, it's always a fun making these kind of sheets and bags.
I think one of our ideas today was also to give that support to the buddies, that you're not alone. And I think I messaged somewhere saying that we might be apart, but we are all together with our heart. And I have some more buddies here who've joined us. This is Monica. Hi, Monica. How are you doing? You've always been very creative and in Save Scrap. And so I always keep the creativity to a minimum because we are all about utility. But I'm grateful to you for being a buddy always. Gargi, hello, good morning, Gargi. Wonderful to see your message. And let me move on a little bit. Mamta, hello, Mamta. Yes, I saw. And today, for some reason, your post came up, which was about I think it was November 2019, where you've all done some work and you've posted on Facebook, which is really very nice. And thank you so much for that, Mamta. On this note, I would actually like to invite Navneeta, who's here from Abu Dhabi. Hello, Navneeta.
Hi. Hi, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you doing, Navneeta?
I'm doing good. Just
Would you like to tell us something? Tell us something about the Abu Dhabi buddies.
All Abu Dhabi buddies are
I have Bharti also here.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Thank you. Please go ahead. I have Bharti also here, so she'll be joining us in a bit. But you could go ahead and tell us. Yeah, tell us some more
Gargi,
about.
All our, Girija, all sincere buddies are doing their work at individual level. They are doing very well, and we also, and especially the pillows we made, because I think it saves environments and it is very useful for Abu Dhabi type place, because laborers needs and desperately needs these things.
Thank you so much, Navneeta. आप हमेशा सब लोगों को encourage करते हो और आपने हमेशा सब लोगों को combine करके सब groups को वो करके रखा है. आप, भारती, सरिता, मोनिका, जॉयसी, मैं जिसका नाम नहीं ले रही हूँ, सॉरी उसके लिए, बिकॉज अभी इतना ही टाइम है हमारे पास इसलिए. बट I'm always so grateful, because when we started, I never thought that this is where we were going, this is where we were reaching, or this is what we were trying to do. Let me for a second, yes, Vipula Shetty is here. She's always supported us. Vipula, thank you so much. And yes, we need blessings and we need more power. Thank you so much for that. Jayashri, I think Jayashri Parmal is, okay, this is Sita Lakshmi, my sister. Thank you so much. Small initiative has become a phenomenal movement. Jayashri here is, let me take a look, from Bangalore, if I'm not wrong, but she's not mentioned that here. Shivani Singh. Geeta doing a great job in Thane. So she's a buddy from Thane, Geeta. Do you want to acknowledge her?
I want to say hi to Geeta.
Sorry?
Navneeta, 1 minute. Let Geeta just finish.
Long time I haven't seen you.
Okay. It's a pleasure to see you all.
Right. Please, would you, Geeta, will you acknowledge Shivani, please?
Yes, Shivani, great job. I'm missing you all, so I hope we'll all come back soon. And I'm missing Bindu, I'm missing Anita, I'm missing Mamta, everybody, I tell you. And let's hope we'll all meet soon.
Right. Thank you so much for that. And I'm going to invite Bharti now. Poor Bharti, she was actually in a hurry today. She had to go somewhere, but I said, sorry, please do give us some hello and some inspirational work. Bharti, can you hear us? Can the others, please, may I request you to mute your machines so that we can hear Bharti clearly and there's no echo? Bharti?
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hi. अरे भारती, अपना चेहरा, ब्यूटीफुल सा चेहरा दिखाओ ना थोड़ी रोशनी में. बिल्कुल कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है.
No.
Yes, so till then, let me just quickly acknowledge Hema from Bangalore team. Hi, Hema. I'm always grateful to you people, and I've been planning to come and visit you all in Bangalore for ages. I don't know why it's not happened, but I'm sure the time will come for it. Thank you so much for being a buddy. भारती,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी, आप लाइट थोड़ा ठीक कर लो। मैं तब तक यहाँ पे अनीता भी वेट कर रही है हमारा। आई जस्ट कॉल अनीता, ठीक है? Anita. Hi, good morning, Anita. How are
Hi,
you
good morning,
doing?
everyone.
Wonderful to see you. And I think one of the people who's been working constantly during the no lockdown, nothing affected her. And she's just been churning out what bags? Is that right? Is that what you
Definitely, it's not a lockdown for me. It's a pleasure being locked in with these scraps and with these materials which I collected from my group. Only thing I miss is the buddies being with us.
True,
But
true.
yeah, my family became my buddy and they've been helping me. They helped me sort it out in the initial stages. And then I got it all organized. And can I go ahead with this?
Please go ahead and show. Actually,
Okay,
what I'm
when I see big pieces, I try to keep the big pieces as it is there, but then they're little smaller. I try to cut them in multiples of 5, 10, 15, 20. I prefer going it that way. So pieces of
Anita,
5 like this.
Just 1 second, please, Anita.
Yeah.
Because we have a screen constraint, what I'm going to do is I'm going to request and remove Navneeta and Chandrika. I'll add you on back a little later. Geeta, I'm just going to remove you all so that we can see what Anita is showing is a little in a bigger scale. Yeah, please. All right. So I'll just remove you from the screen. I'm so sorry about this. I feel terrible. I wish the screen was bigger. Just give me a second, please.
Yeah.
Yeah, Anita.
Yeah. Can I begin?
Yeah, please. Sorry. I'm still adjusting the screen, as you can see, and what has happened is mine has become bigger.
That's okay.
Please. Yes, Anita, go ahead.
Yeah. So when I see the scraps, first thing what I do is I keep the bigger sheets as it is as much as possible. And then I cut them into multiples of 5, 10, 15 and whatever length it takes. And then I go joining them like these. Get them ironed. And if they are bigger pieces, still more. And I make bags as well as sheets. So with the smaller pieces, I have made a sheet like this.
Okay. Well, looks beautiful.
I do it. We attach 2 pieces.
Okay.
And then we stitch another. We secure it on the sides as well so that it is nice and durable. And the remaining pieces, bigger pieces, I cut them 16 by 32, whatever, and we make these bags.
Wonderful.
Now, when I find the fabric is very a bit attractive, I put the pockets on the inside of the bag. Yeah, so
the creativity doesn't leave us. Yeah, the creativity doesn't leave us.
Pocket, and when I find strips of lace around the house, I add the lace here. There again, there's a pocket inside because this fabric was very attractive. It's a dress material.
So, and Anita, she's joining me from near the Lamsey area. And Anita, I would just like to emphasize on this point that we don't usually add any buttons or zip or anything. We work with whatever we have. So even the lace that you added is what we received from scrap.
This is from the scrap what I had because I stitch my own clothes. So whatever remaining, I have been just adding them. And at one point of time, I felt these pocket pieces were too tiny. So I added 2 pockets to the bag.
Great.
And
so let me just take a minute to... Yeah, let me just take a minute to say hello to Geeta Krishnan. Proud to be part of SSS. Thank you so much for being a buddy. Geeta has just peeped in between some lesson or something. So I'm just going to say hi and bye to her. Yeah. Yes, please go ahead. Yes. Okay. Are we done, Anita? Yeah.
And what I focus more on is the durability more than anything else. So there are double stitches around for the lining as well as the outside as well as the top. So the bag can be really strong and durable for whoever uses it. And as I stitch, my prayer and wish for you, Shambhavi, and for all those who are receiving these pieces that they may really be put to good use. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Anita. Thank you so much for saying that. And at this point, I would like to add that we have a YouTube channel which actually has the tutorials for making these sheets, these bags, and these pillows without any pressure on the machine, because that is important for us, that we don't have any pressure on the machine. So thank you, Anita. I'm going to, I'm just seeing, yes, I'll add Bharti back and I'm going to, okay. So
Nice to see you. Good morning. ma'am.
हाय भारती अब अभी बहुत अच्छे से दिख रही हो, बिल्कुल नहीं नजर आ रही थी. आई एम सो सॉरी. मुझे पता है यू आल्सो हैड अ क्लास एंड यू केम अवे फ्रॉम इट. हमको खैर आज क्षमा मिल जाएगी. चलो.
Ma'am. Actually,
Yeah, please tell me. Yeah, please tell me what have you been working on. You're another person who throughout the lockdown has been working, and I would like to know what you've been working on. Please share with that.
okay. Actually, recently I have stitched a few bags and sheets, and 2 sheets half done. We have to complete
Wow.
that. And I'm missing all SSS buddies, especially our Khalifa State buddies. They are good, and all Vidya, Akshata, then Mallika, Sukanya,
Right,
Mamta,
right.
and so many. I'm missing SSS, our SSS session and buddies actually.
That's right. So Bharti, I have to thank you because you're one of the first people who joined SSS from Abu Dhabi. When Sarita introduced, you joined, then Navneeta and all came in, and then everyone. And you've taken a lot of time and efforts to teach people how to do these things. So while it is important to be a buddy, but also including others. We talk about inclusiveness and then including others, having other people, teaching them. It really requires a skill and patience. So I'm always grateful to you for that. Thank you so much, Bharti. I have here Shilpa Shinoy from Abu Dhabi Group, Bharti ji, Girija, Vidya, along with other ladies who did fantastic job in providing face mask also. Okay, so that is one thing which we did not do in Safe Scrap and Sew because one was for the safety reason. And the second thing was also because fabric, we get what fabric we work with is what we get. We do not buy anything. So this was a little bit of a challenge, but on your own, you buddies have done a great job. And I know that. And I thank you for that. We also have Chetana Prabhu also here who's thanking you for the masks. So maybe you people can acknowledge them separately as well. The messages will be here. And we have Sandhya Kiran tagging somebody, I think. Thank you so much. I hope the person you're tagging joins us soon. Bharti, I have Leena here who's been very patient and waited for a long time. And she was a last minute who I requested to please join in. Hi, Leena. Good to see you. Thank you so much for joining in. Leena, can you hear?
Hi.
Hi.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. So, if one thing I've
Am I
learned
audible?
from, yes, you are
Good
very much.
morning.
So, if one thing I've learned from you is to be quiet and just do your work. I'm so grateful to you for the amount of work that you've done for SSS Buddies, for the number of sessions that you've attended, for the fact that you've trained and helped so many people. And Leena, one of the best things about you is when you're given guidelines, you follow it, which is really so comforting, that you
Thank
don't
you
have to
so much.
again reinvent the wheel with the person, trying to tell them, no, why this works and why this doesn't work is sometimes really a challenge. But it's been such a pleasure working with you. And I want to acknowledge this and thank you. And thank you so much for being a buddy, Leena.
Thanks to you for being an inspiration to all of us.
Thank you.
It's been a
you guys
wonderful
are there, I'm
journey.
there. Otherwise, nothing. And then, of course, I have my family here. And it is my sister-in-law from Australia. Thank you, Anu, SSS and team. So proud. So Anu and my brother and his son, they were a part of it when we started our initial discussions on what Safe Scrap and Sew would be or what would we be doing with it. And they were the initial part of the brainstorming. So for them, it is like their baby has grown up, to where we are, which is almost, we'll be completing 5 years in September this year. Anita Vinesh, my buddy, my partner, proud to be part of the team. Look forward to the session soon. I know. I wish we could all do that. Okay, so I have some more comments here, but I'll just address them in a bit. Leena, would you like to share something? Would you like to say something to us? Anything else you want to say, Leena?
I joined SSS around 2.5, 3 years back. It's been a wonderful journey since then.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Leena. I'll say bye to you now and I'll
Right
take you
now,
from
I don't have anything to show.
I know, I wish. I know we've given away whatever we had.
much.
Correct. Very, very true. So thank you once again. And I'll say
Yeah.
bye to you now at this point. I have here Radhika Chitle, who's my buddy, and her son is my buddy, and I'm extremely fortunate to get to know Shambhavi. Oh, thank you, Radhika. Mission of SSS through her. It's been a pleasure working on whatever bit we could contribute to this mission. Radhika, you and your son Aditya, and as well as our the team that you've set up in JLT with Mrinal, and I'm really grateful to all of you for that. So actually, I have a few people on LinkedIn. So just give me a few seconds to say hello to them. There's Digi George here. Thank you. Thank you, Manali from Reproduction Recycling. VR Ramurthy. I'm not sure who this is. Is it Vardarajan? Hi, Vardarajan. Thank you so much. Thank you, Purvaja, my friend and my support always with all SSS activities. I'm just going to take a few seconds here and invite Chandrika. Yeah, Chandrika. Hi. Yeah, maybe you need to unmute. हाँ जी, Chandrika. कुछ बोलना चाहते हो आप? Something you want to add? Please go ahead.
Thanks to you for giving continuous inspiration and motivating all the time, which is really helping me a lot to come out of my own sorrows. Special thanks to you.
I can only say thank you, and I must thank Nisha because she was actually here. I'm just trying to find out where her. Yes, Nisha. This was Nisha's message, and Nisha's the one who connected you to me. I'm grateful to her for that. And like you said, we all have our own things which we keep trying to come out of. But ultimately, what we do is helping other people, and that really is, I think, some of our purpose. So, Chandrika, if you could put yourself on mute. Yeah. I'm also going to call, I'm just adding Anita, adding Geeta. 2, 3, 4. I'm going to add Navneeta and yeah. So may I request you ladies to kindly put yourself on mute, and I'm just going to read something which my father has sent me early morning today, and he would like me to say this here. It's a poem he's written on behalf of a scrap, okay? And so what, I was a scrap. My forefathers used to be damned as scrap. Rotting under the soil for years we napped. Small bits of boutiques with no use we wrought. Our life changed with SSS buddies. Working as one, meeting all over UAE at a place of buddy anyone. We got new lives as pillows and sheets. We became bags to carry home books and sweets. We give comfort and protect the needy. SSS does not sell or greedy. Save the landfill, use the wastage. SSS will be future's heritage. Bless you, buddies. This is my father's message for us. And I'm really grateful to him for all the support that he has done. He has given us. So Digi on
really
Insta, she's late, but that's okay, Digi. Don't worry about that. It's good you're here. Thank you so much. Yeah, sorry, somebody's saying something I missed out. Yeah, tell me, please.
I was saying it was really very sweet of him, and I've always seen him whenever he's around, whenever we are doing our SSS work, he would come and help whatever he can. He would come and crack a joke, help us boost our moral, and always support us in a way that we are happy and doing continuously. We continuously do the work. And it's really, really very, very, I'm really happy. I'm getting nostalgic, actually. I'm lost of
Thank you. Thank you so much. I have here Jayashree, who from Bangalore, as I had mentioned, who said that when I was in Dubai for many years, I've seen your joint effort, would like to be a part of it. So we have a Bangalore buddy group, and you're more than welcome to join that, Jayashree. And actually right now, because we are not doing anything as a group, if you send me a personal message or a mail, and maybe I should also share at this point the fact that we have a website. Please, ladies, bear with me and let me just quickly share the screen here. And you can see the savescrapandsue.com is our website. You have here We have SSS Reach here, which gives information on where all the distribution has taken place in all these years. And we also have Make a Difference. And if you click on Become a Buddy, you can send a mail to me. Our stories here, welcome, the awards that we won. And like I always say, all these awards have been won by all of us together. None of these, and I'm just a representative who goes to pick up these awards. That's all. Because you need somebody as a face. That's my only. So I'll just stop the screen now. I have Prema here. She is one of my first, in fact, the first buddy who helped me put this message across to the group, our building group. Hi, Shambhavi, my dear buddies. Grateful to be associated with SSS. Gratifying to see our baby has grown so fast. We'll continue doing so. Thank you so much, Prema, for that. Nisha is thanking us again here. I'm just sharing this. And it would be lovely if any of you who are here, Sheila says thank you for the poem. I'm sure my dad is hearing. Anita, she says thank you for the poem. I'm sure my dad is hearing us. And we should be, I'm able to thank him here. Okay, so before, I was actually hoping that we'll be joined by Usha from Bangalore, but looks like she's not been able to make it. Sad about that. Any last thoughts? Anything anybody wants to say before we say bye to our audience? One at a time, we can go. Chandrika, we can start with you.
Thank you once again, and nice to meet all the buddies, and wish to meet you all in person when you come to Mumbai or I come to Dubai.
Okay, so Usha, I sent you a link. Why don't you please join from there? Usha, I sent you a link. Thanks for making me part of this wonderful venture. Usha is the Bangalore buddy who actually coordinates and who has taken this ahead to a great extent. But she's not able to join. No, Usha, I would like you to actually join in through that StreamYard link I sent so you can be on screen with me. I think we have Geeta's having a problem, so I'll just take her off screen. Chandrika, thank you for your message. And I'm so grateful to you for motivating everybody in and around you. And I will say bye to you now. I'll say bye to you now, Chandrika. Thank you so much. Just wait a second. Chandrika, no, don't go, just wait. We have still, yeah, okay. So everybody's here. So ladies, one last time, 3 cheers for Save, Scrap and
Sue.
Scrap and Sue. Hip hip hooray. Yeah.
Hip hooray, yes.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Shambhavi, for motivating us. And
it's my pleasure, and I need this motivation. Let me be very honest with you. I need this motivation as much. And I'm going to say bye to
Just to
Yeah.
say, Dr. Shambhavi, ये वक्त भी गुजर जाएगा. हम फिर से start करेंगे वो session.
Bilkul,
Yes.
bilkul.
We are missing that.
Definitely.
Bilkul. So I'm going to
Definitely.
say bye to Geeta, and I'm going to say bye to Chandrika at this point.
Shambhavi,
All right. Hanji, bole. Yes, Anita? Would
just
you
a
like?
word of thanks to your dad for that inspirational poem that has inspired us all the more. Please tell him, with blessings of elders like him, we are more inspired to take our work ahead. Thank you very
so
much.
Thank
And thank
you,
your
thank
family very much. Yeah.
Thank
Yeah.
you very much. Yes, it is my family, my children, my husband who actually just let me be, and I'm able to do all this, and with the support of all the buddies like you. So hip hip hooray from
Great.
Prema.
God bless them. Yeah.
Yeah, there's a message from रहे ना रहे हम, हमारा SSS जरूर रहेगा. ये सच बात है. Definitely
Sure.
हमारा SSS रहेगा. Thank you so much. And
Yeah.
Monica is here. Beautiful poem. Blessings from elders. We have Pratima Rajan here saying, Bharti, please show the bags. We could not see, dear. Bharti, please एक और बार बैग दिखा दो आप. हाँ जी. ठीक है? हाँ. अंदर से भी दिखाना है क्या? Okay. All right. So, yes, fantastic. Now I have Usha here. Usha. Yeah. Bharti. Yeah. So, Anita, I'll say bye to you now. Can I say bye?
Yes,
And
yes.
also to Navneeta. Bye, Navneeta. Bharti, आपने बैग दिखा दिया?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, please. और कुछ दिखा रहे थे ना आप? नहीं?
Actually, we stick to follow the instruction, ma'am, and size
Really sorry for coming late.
No
I was
problem,
held up
Usha.
with school
No
work,
problem.
that's why.
Just give us a second. Just give us a second. Let me just finish with Bharti here, and I'll add you onto the stream again. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. I am proud to be SSS buddy, and
Sorry.
I'm proud to be
Yes.
SSS buddy, ma'am.
Yes.
And thank you
Yes.
so much,
We are.
ma'am. And I'm missing these our SSS session and buddies. Hope this.
Yes. Yes. So in all this, I have to say thanks to Red Crescent, who have given us permission to collect scrap and to take the material and whatever we make that we give to them. We are grateful for that, for their support. And to the Islamic Affairs Department, they have always encouraged us. They have come and checked on what work we are doing to support us. And thank you, Bharti, for that. I'll say bye to you now, Bharti. Usha. Hi, Usha. Hello. I've just let me address
Hi.
few comments which are here. Yeah. So Vignesh Mani, my nephew, thank you, family. I really love it that all of you are there. Vidya Sunil, missing all the SSS sessions. She's a LAMC buddy. Thank you. Yes, Vidya, we are also missing you. And there is another Vidya here who's my cousin. See how you need family around you if you want anything to be done, very honestly. Thank you so much. Since I'm live on Insta also, I'm trying to address the people who are there. Yeah. Thank you, Prema, for thanking my parents. And yes, now I can focus completely on you, Usha. Tell me, yes, how is it going? How has it been? Tell me that.
Yeah, right now it's work is going on, but thank you so much for making me part of this venture. And buddies from here have used the word something meaningful in life, and that's what I carry forward with this. Lovely
You're
work
so
that they are.
yes. And you know something, Usha, the fact is that because we don't even know where it goes, who is it reaching, who is going to be using it, and it's just done in good faith, and that is what actually helps us carry through. So doing things for people who is like, okay, it whether they are grateful or not, but we know that those who receive this are grateful to us because they don't know who made it and we don't know who received it. That's always something which gives us so much happiness. And I don't know whether after the lockdown what the situation will be, but one thing I know is the message has been carried through, and we will be taking this along in future also. Would you like to say something to your SSS buddies in Bangalore, Usha? You have few people who want to join you. Yeah.
They are doing really well, but right now, because you said lockdown, they are doing it from their respective homes, but the work is going on. And whatever they have made, they've kept it with them. It's only that we'll have to share it with people who are in need of it. Right now, there are so many quilts and so many pillows that they have made. So it's all lying there. We only have to, once there is more ease of the lockdown, maybe we'll share it. We'll go back to places which require. So work is a little slow though.
Yeah, it's okay. We've never been, there's never been a race to do anything, but always slow and steady has brought us to where we are. And in fact, I'm grateful to all the buddies there. And I hope that as soon as possible, I should be able to make a visit and say hello to everyone. And let me say bye. And your friend, my sister, thank you for being her friend, because she's the one who was going on shouting, where is Usha? And I'm so glad that you turned up. I have here Riku, who's watching me live from Sui Dhaga Fashion Studio. So thank you, Riku, for watching. And she's also always supported our work. I'll say bye to you, Usha. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Yeah, thanks so much. Thank you.
Bye. Bye. Yeah, bye. Yes, so yes, my wonderful husband is reminding me that I should thank Mr. Venkat Pencilman and many other people who have quietly been part of the distribution initiative. Yes, the people who received them are very grateful. Thank you so much, Raj, for reminding me on that. And Bharti, this is a love note for you.
Yeah.
You want to read it out? Do you want to read it out?
Just now he created account.
So Bharti's son is proud to see my mother part of noble cause. I feel motivated. Thank you, ma'am, for motivating my mother and always encouraging us. Siddharth, I can't even begin to tell you how grateful I am that she's a buddy. So here on Insta, Riku is thanking me from Sui Dhaga. And I think now it's time for us to say bye to our audience. So let me just quickly get everybody on the screen at the same time. Yes. Okay, ladies. All good. We are done for the day. We got about 40 minutes. We've done. We've spoken. We've thanked Lata Venkatesh is here saying we are doing a great job. Geeta, and that is Geeta for not only you, for me also, since at home they call me Geeta. And thank you, Lata. And may I thank all of you for spending your time here today. I would like to thank my niece Purvaja, my niece Apurva, and my daughter Ananya for supporting me and doing a lot of stuff in the background which you people can't see, including keeping the comments live on Insta. Thanks. Thank you to the family, my SSS buddies. Thank you, everybody, each one of you. And I thank each one of your families also for giving you that flexibility and freedom to take up a cause which is very close to your heart. And talk about empowerment. This is empowerment when we actually do something and we tell others how to do it, and then they continue the message. So long live Save Scrap and Sew. For those people who want to join us, let me just quickly say bye to Geeta. Geeta, bye.
Hi.
If you want to join from Thane, say hello to Geeta. And we have Bharti and Navneeta from Abu Dhabi. In case you want to say bye, hello to them, you can say that. And you will, anyone who wants to contact us can do so. I'm sharing one more time our website. This is our website here, and you can hear more about us here. Usually we have an event calendar. If we do try to update it when there is an event. More information, the various channels through which you can join us. You can go to the tutorial. They are free on YouTube. You can see how to make a sheet, a pillow. So important message. We're trying to keep the landfill clear. Second, we are trying to help the needy. I hope in future we save our own scrap and we make something useful for it. And that scrap we usually share with our own family or people. But the scrap which comes from the tailors and boutique, because neither they have ownership on that, nor we have ownership on that, we give away to people who we don't know. We hand it over to Red Crescent, and in India, they hand it over to other people who are needy, who are not going to hoard, who do not have another one in their cupboard. In fact, there is no cupboard at all. So thank you very much for all your help, for everybody who's been here. Take care. And before I finish, let me just quickly see if there are any comments. Pratima Rajan, thank you very much for your lovely comments. Thank you, Shivani. Take care. SaveScrapandSew.com is where you need to visit. You can visit the Facebook page, the Insta page. Come, become a buddy. And if you don't have time right now to become a buddy, share, like, and subscribe. And pass on the message so that we save the earth for our children and for the future generations. Thank you so much for being a part of this. Bye.